Trust Your Gut journal isn't just a notebook, it's a strategy system. With guided prompts and practical tactics, you'll build the confidence to spot manipulation, outthink workplace games, and take control of your career. As a counsellor, I talk to many people struggling with narcissists at work, from having their input dismissed, ideas stolen, or just taking the blame for things that they didn't do. The stress is relentless. This journal gives you the strategies to stay ahead and take back control. 10 minutes a day turns self-doubt into confidence. Let's look at how. Over time, your journal reveals patterns in manipulative co-workers' behaviour, silencing self-doubt. Narcissists thrive on making you question your reality, but by learning their patterns, you're able to anticipate and prepare for their next likely move. These are the 5 classic toxic behaviours that create the most stress at work. Yet pairing your journal insights with these 20 powerful tools keeps you one step ahead, confident, prepared, and in control. And for a touch of humour, these witty acceptive proverbs make spotting narcissistic behaviours surprisingly entertaining, because dealing with manipulation doesn't have to be dull.